Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like Manual Building Design, Stat Pro, ETABS, SAP, Rivet, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contains 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer. Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. And if you are not yet like this video, so please like this video so that it will help me to create the better content for you. So let's start with our video. In this video, I will explain you complete design of a 5-story building, and then after that I will explain you how to print the results which are obtained from the ETABS software detailing version. So initially I will open the model. So this is my model. I was already done the modeling process and analysis process. I was applied the load cases related to lateral loading condition system as well as the gravity loading condition system for this building model. So for this building model only I will do the designing process, complete step-by-step process designing, and then after that I will explain you how to print the results. That is the important task in our video after the designing process. So let's start with the designing process. So before going to designing of the building structural model, initially we need to create the strip condition system for this. In order to design the slab section, that is the important task in ETABS software. So for that, just I am initially unlocking the model. Click on unlock here. So click on OK so that the model will be unlocked here for the 5-story building structural model. Now we have to create the strips. Go to edit option for that. Click on add edit grid strips option. Add grid strip condition. Firstly, we will select the 5th story. Direction will be X and strip condition layer is A. Click on apply. In the same process, we have to apply the strip condition system in Y direction condition system with the strip layer is B condition system here. So just I am selecting Y direction with the strip layer is B. Click on apply. In the same process, we have to repeat the process for the remaining stories in order to create the strip condition system for the rest of the building. Just I am selecting 4th story here with the X layer and A type. So you can see here I was applied. In the same process, we had to apply the strip condition system which is in Y direction with the B layer. Click on apply. So in the same process, I will change the story number 4 to story number 3 here. So just I am selecting story number 4. Just I am changing to 3. X direction A condition. Click on apply. Now in the same process, we have to change the direction, grid direction, which is of Y direction condition system here with the strip layer is B. Click on apply option. Now in the same process, I will move to the story number 2. So just I am selecting here story number 2nd with the strip direction is X and strip is A. Click on apply. In the same process, I have to move to the strip direction is Y condition system for this building. Just I am selecting this grid direction which I was already assigned with the X direction condition. Instead of X direction, I am selecting Y direction here. Click on apply. So lastly, we will select the 1st story which is related to the ground story building structural model for this building. So initially I am selecting the story number which is available here, story number 2 to story number 1. Just I am selecting with the direction is XA. Click on apply option. Again in the same process, we have to apply the direction also in the Y direction condition system for this strip condition. So just I am selecting this X direction condition to, just I am changing that particular section to Y direction with the strip layer is B option here. Click on apply option so that it will apply all the strip condition system for the rest of the complete building structural model. Here you can see it was obtained with the pink color marks here. Click on OK option here. So after this, we had to do the analysis process once again for this building model. So for that, go to click on the run analysis option here which is available. Just I am selecting run analysis here so that the complete building structural model will be do the analysis process under the considerations of the strip condition. Now after the analysis process is completed, we will do the designing for the building structural model related to beams, columns as well as the slab section. So for that, firstly, after the analysis process, we had to select the design option. Go to click on the design option, which is available on the top. Just I'm selecting design, concrete frame design, select view revised preferences initially. Select the IS code here, click on OK. Then after that, we have to select the all parameters which is related to rebar rules for the columns, beams. If you want, you can select based on your assumption, but here I am considering default section. So click on the directly click on the start designing check option, so that it will start designing of the members related to beams, columns for the RCC structure as per IS 456-2000 code provision standard system. Now here you can see it was done with complete designing of the members. Now we will do the designing for the slab. Go to select design, select here as a concrete slab design, select view revised preferences. If you want, you can select the IS code provision. So click on OK, directly click on the design, concrete slab option. So click on start designing check option. It will ask you to select the floors. Just I'm selecting story number 1 to story number 5 here. Click on OK option, so that it will start designing of the members related to slab section as per IS 456-2000 code. Here you can see it was done with complete designing of the members. This is the slab strip design layer reinforcement, bottom reinforcement values for the each and individual beam. Now we will save this model. Go to click on the file option, save option, so that the model will be saved in the ETABS software. So now we will close this ETABS software. We will do the detailing and printing process in CSI detailing version. So here I am selecting my CSI detailing version software. Now go to click on the file option, select the new detailing option, select open EDB file here. So select the desktop, just I'm selecting G+5. So you can select any one of the file, but actually I was saved this file as G+5 only, just that's why I'm selecting this G+5. So initially the model, whatever the model, we are done with the complete G+5 building, 5-story building, which will be initially open in ETABS software. Then after that it will be directly imported to CSI detailing version software. After importing process is completed, then we have to give some of the parameters like minimum diameter of the bar, maximum diameter of the bar, and preferred bar size, etc. based on our location. Okay, so then after that we will do the detailing. So here you can see it was importing the data from ETABS software to CSI detailing version software. So it was done with complete importing process related to beams and columns. Some of the members it is showing here like this. Column frames or results are not available some members, and pier spandular results not available for some members. Click on OK option. So if you go to the detailing units option here, so you can select the units according to your consideration. Just I'm selecting SI units here, and kilogram, millimeter, rebar spacing millimeter, force will be in kilonewton. I am selecting here, click on OK, and you can select the preferences here and select as per IS 456-2000 code provision. Click on OK. Now you can select the rebar rules option. This is the important in detailing version. So you can select the slab and you can give the minimum spacing, maximum spacing according to your assumption. So the minimum spacing just I am giving here as 120 mm and maximum will be of 300 mm. Again go to select the beams. You can give the minimum spacing as well as the maximum spacing also. So here I am taking 120. This is also 120. This is also 120. Again in the same process I am selecting this is the 300. This is 300. This is 300. Again I am selecting column. This I am selecting 120. This I am selecting as 300 here. Click on OK option. Then after that directly click on the OK option here, so that it will start detailing of your 5-story building by using CSI detailing version software. Now here you can see it was done with the complete reinforcement detailing for the particular structural members like beams, columns, slabs, etc. So this is the floor framing plan, rebar plan option. This is the top rebar plan, bottom rebar plan here, top rebar, bottom, and every rebar plan, bill of material, rebar quantity. Directly click on the rebar cage view option, so that it will show you the complete reinforcement diagram which is related to that particular floor. Now you can see this is a realistic reinforcement diagram. So you can select here. In the same process, if you want to see the building beam design results, you can select any one of the beam, so that it will show you the complete reinforcement design results for that particular beam. In the same process, you can select the column. So you can click on the column, any one of the column, so that it will show you the complete reinforcement design results for that particular column. If you click on the reinforcement cage view option, this is the reinforcement cage view option. Now our next important task is to print the complete results in the PDF format. So for that we have to click on the drawings option here. So it will be consisting of default drawings, drawing sheet setup, drawing format properties, etc. is available. If you want to set up the page, you can set up by using these particular options. Click on cancel option. So here I'm click on the drawings option here. So click on the add view to drawing. Otherwise you can directly click on the print to drawings option here. Okay, so that it will load the complete printing of the format. So you can select the PDF from this particular format. Letter size you can select as per your consideration, whether it is required for the portrait or landscape. So here I'm selecting landscape only. So all drawings just I'm selecting here. Click on start printing option, so that it will ask you to save the model. So click on PDF, just I'm selecting, click on save option, that it will save the complete drawings in the PDF format. We will check the after the creation of the PDF. So here I'm selecting my PDF. So here you can see this is the complete PDF. It is consisting of approximately 3 pages for my output. But if you take the number of the stories and number of the buildings and greater than 10 story, 5 story and different sizes, it will take the number of the pages is greater. So here according to my assumption it is showing 3 pages only. So this is the complete reinforcement design results for that particular drawing results for the beam section. This is the beam section and complete section view, and this is the column section design results. Okay, so this is the complete process of designing of the 5-story building and printing in the PDF format by using ETABS software. If you select all the options, all the print drawing option in the particular CSI detailing option, then it will show you the complete reinforcement for each and individual layers. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.